Hello, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Polka Dot House. Today we will be having episode 16, tutorial number 15, and we will discuss parallel darts. We will be needing a tape, paper scissor, a marker, we need a pencil, we need an eraser, a ruler, French carve. We need paper. Alright, let us do first parallel darts. It is a two dart used to develop designs featuring parallel darts. Parallel darts are created by using waist darts and a side dart, or a combination of the two bus point and then the bus distance. Distance between the dart points or bus points establishes the width of the parallel darts. Okay, let me show you a sample of parallel darts using a French dart. So we will be needing a curve to create a very nice shape of these French parallel darts. So from this point and this point, we have a gap of 1 3/4. I think it's fine. No? And then here, let's try here 1 1/4 here. So from there, let's make this one like that. Very simple. Just connect this waist dart from that point to the side. Alright, and then same thing here. This is 1 3/4. This should be 1 3/4. That is the idea. Parallel, two same dart. Right, and then we will do like this from that point to this point. There you go, you have a two parallel darts. Now we slash close, slash close, slash close. Let us slash this, right, and let us slash this. Actually, you can make this smaller and wider. This is up to you how much gap you want, but you will also need to change here. If you want this one a small gap, then you make this one a bit there and this one a bit there to become small. Same thing, if you want to make a wider dart, you need to go out here and you go out there. And then we slash this. Okay, so we slash and then close, right? Let's put a tape. So same thing here. What you can do, slash this one, right, and close there. So this is now our new dart. Maybe you're thinking why this is different gap, because here is also different gap. Okay, and then from there, what you can do, connect this one to have a very nice angle of that front waistline. Alright, there you go. And then this one, okay, and then that's it. You can do as well put this one in the new pattern and put a half-inch allowance there. Half-inch allowance there. 1 inch allowance in the side, and half-inch here and half-inch there. So this is a French parallel darts. Alright? I will show you another sample of parallel darts cape effect. I already traced here a 2 dart bodies. 1 dart in the side and 1 dart in the waist. To have a cape effect, we will go out from here by 1 1/4 inch. Will be here. Alright? This is too high. We will go down here approximately 1 1/2 inch. Alright? Same thing here. Let's do 1 1/2 inch. From there, let's do the new shape of the neckline. So this is now your new neckline and your new shoulder. We need to make a 2 parallel straight line, and then we will go like that. We need to measure the half of these 2. This is 4, so 2 inches and 2 inches. Alright, there. This is now 4, so the center is there. That means our parallel dart is 2 inches. Let's try to make one straight line here. Okay, so we can get the straight grain of this. The straight grain here going to the top. Okay, and another one here going there. Now this is only 1 1/4 gap, and then this is 2 inches. So that means the gap here and the gap here is different. Alright, otherwise we can move a little bit more here. Let's try to make another half inch there. Alright, so now this is 3 1/2. So we will make this 1 3/4. This is now your new line, and this is another 1 3/4. Now, so this will try 4 inches, and here is another 4 inches, and then from there, these 2 dart you need to connect this point to that point. Connect it like that, and this point to this, connect it. So that means this gap should be same, yeah. So this is 1 3/4. You should have a gap here of 1 3/4. So we will connect that like that. So it should be like this. Okay, now I will make this visible so we can see if the design is good or no. Because basically we need to create a very nice neckline. So if this one is like that, okay, and this is like this, then the neckline should follow with the same. We are talking about parallel. So if the case is like this, then this become like that. So what we can do, from here to here, we raise by 1 3/4. So here we will raise again by 1 3/4. Right? And so this one is 1 3/4 as well. Alright? Give nice shape of the neckline now. Make first here. So that means we will keep the same neckline opening. Or we can just make like that. Right, then make this one a little bit difference is not bad. The important is the shape. There you go. We'll be having a nice neckline parallel to that dart. Yeah, like this. when you cut this, you can get nice angle. There you go. So this is now our new neckline. Let's try to cut this. There. Okay. Now we cut this. Alright. So same thing, what we will do. So we slash and close, slash and close. I hope you are following, yeah? Let's do it one by one. Okay, let's close first this one, and then we will do the other dot. This is the other important of the notches. Okay, so we are not lost. Okay, so this here, there. We tape this one. Oof. Right. Look how beautiful the dart. Right. So same thing here. We cut this. Let's put the notches. Okay. Okay. There. So same thing. We slash this. And close. So your dart there is there, and the dart in the side is now here. So when you stitch this one, you have a parallel cape effect darts. So this is become part of your dress design, right? And then again, we will make a nice shape here. And let's make it straight this one. Alright. And then let's make a nice shape of the under the arm there. There. Okay. Now what when we cut this one will become very beautiful. So this is our center front, and this is our parallel dart cape effect. Okay, I hope you learned something today about our topic, parallel darts. So I gave you two examples. This is parallel darts with a cape effect, alright, and then the other one is parallel French dart. I hope you enjoyed this lesson today, and stay tuned for our next episode of dart construction. Thank you very much.